This 1971 Lamborghini Miura SV arrived not as a neglected barn find, but as a rare and valuable supercar already in respectable condition. At first glance, the body, interior, and overall presentation suggested a well-kept automobile. However, beneath the surface, serious mechanical issues were waiting to be uncovered. The heart of the Miura, the legendary transverse V12 engine, was no longer functioning correctly, and the transmission showed clear signs of internal failure. Given the historical importance and technical complexity of this model, there was no room for shortcuts. The only responsible path forward was a complete mechanical teardown and a meticulous rebuild performed to the highest standards. This complex task was entrusted to Team CJ, whose reputation for precision engineering and uncompromising craftsmanship made them the ideal choice for such an iconic machine. The engine was fully removed and stripped down to its last component. Every internal part was carefully inspected, measured, and documented. The engine block was cleaned and checked for integrity, the cylinder heads were disassembled, and the head gaskets, valves, valve guides, and seats were renewed. The crankshaft, camshafts, pistons, bearings, and rotating assembly were all examined in detail, corrected where necessary, and rebuilt with absolute precision. Once the internal work was completed, the engine was carefully reassembled and finished with correct coatings and paint, restoring not only mechanical excellence, but also the visual standard expected of a Miura SV. Attention to detail was paramount, ensuring authenticity, durability, and long-term reliability. The transmission received the same level of care. Fully disassembled, inspected, and rebuilt, worn components were replaced, tolerances corrected, and the casing refinished. New wiring and electrical systems were installed, eliminating decades of fatigue and ensuring dependable performance. In parallel, the power steering system was carefully repaired and restored, returning the precise and responsive driving feel that defines the Miura when properly set up. This restoration was not about cosmetic improvement. It was a mechanical rebirth. Thanks to the expertise and dedication of Team CJ, this Miura SV has been returned to the level of performance, reliability, and refinement it possessed when it left Sant'Agata in 1971. What follows in this video is a detailed look at the craftsmanship, discipline, and engineering mastery required to revive one of the most iconic V12 supercars ever built, and to do so with the respect such a legend deserves.